Hi guys, it's been a little bit since I have shared our home update with you on YouTube. I've been trying to keep as many updates as I can on Snapchat and Instagram, so if you follow me there, then you might already know some of this, but for those of you who do not, here's the latest update. We are just waiting for the pre-drywall inspection now. It's really exciting to see everything come together. I'm so excited to see the walls actually go up. So far, the move-in date is still up in the air as far as an exact day, but we're still told mid-August. Right now, my biggest struggle is visualizing how to do the landscaping in the front and the backyard, as well as a patio and deck area. I really don't know what to do with this. So if you guys have any recommendations, I would absolutely love for you to comment them below to give me some ideas. They still need to fill in the land around the house, so maybe that'll be easier for me to visualize it once the grass is put in, but this is definitely not my forte. Decorating, I'm excited for that. I can see it, but landscaping and a deck, I really need some suggestion. So let me know. Today's mission is going to be tackling my closet. I want to remove all the items that I would like to donate or sell. And honestly, the easiest way, I believe, is Poshmark. It's one of my favorite ways to buy and sell gently used or new items. I also want to pack up more of my clothes because we literally have 2 weeks left till we have to move out of our condo. I've owned this jacket for 2 years now and never wore it. It's literally new without tags. You, my friend, deserve a better home. I also want to purge my old hangers. They're like this sage green color and replace it with the white ones at our new place. I have like mix match hangers from stores that just give you the hanger. I gotta get these guys out too. There's literally so many new with tag items in here, it's ridiculous. Alright, so now I have a bunch of items here that I'm going to sell, and I'm going to actually show you guys how I do that. I love this app so much, I want all of you guys to know about it. So here's my closet. You can see my handle or username is at the top. It's Taylor_beauty with 2 E's. I'll also post that in the description box. So basically, your closet looks like a profile page. Then you can scroll through and see the items that you've posted. So for example, I'm going to list this Fashion Nova one-piece swimsuit. I'm obsessed with this, but sadly, it's just too small. So the first thing I like to do is pull up the website. I'm going to look up this item and take screenshots of more information to help out possible buyers. Typically, this is going to include more photos on a model as well as reviews. I also like to add a size chart. You want to be as descriptive as possible, so the brand's website is always a good resource to include on your listing. I also like to take pictures of the actual garment itself to prove and show the condition. This also includes the size and tags. So I'm simply going to take the photos that I took screenshots of, as well as the pictures I took myself, and upload them to the listing. Then you're prompted to add a title. So for example, I made this new with tags one-piece swimsuit. You then can add more information in the description. Here, I'll typically include information about the fabric or item. I also like to include suggestions. For example, if it runs smaller or larger than normal, I like to include that. Then you can continue on and add the size, brand, category, color, and if the item is new with tags or not. So this is a women's swimsuit and it's a one-piece. It's a size small and the brand again is Fashion Nova. The color is jade, so it's kind of in between a blue and green, so I'm simply going to add both. And this item is new with tags. Then you can add the original price as well as the listing price. Obviously, the lower the listing price, the more likely your item will be purchased. This can also be changed later on. So I'm first going to try listing this for half off the original cost. You can also see that Poshmark takes a small percentage of your earnings, so I will receive $16 when sold. Now here's an example of it's basically new, but I don't have tags attached. So you can either flat lay, hang, or model the garment, or again, pull up the model from the website. I'm going to take a bunch of photos here to show the condition that I can add to my listing. Then again, just follow through with the same prompts and post. Super simple. Your garments can also be gently used and previously loved. Just be sure that you include this information and disclose this in the photos as well as the description showing any possible flaws. Poshmark is the #1 place to buy and sell fashion. You guys can download the app for free with the link in the description box. If you are already a Poshmark user, I would love for you guys to comment your handle below. That way I can make sure to follow you guys. I also want to clean out some of my makeup collection because it is just so much. I am so grateful and so thankful for it all, but a lot of it honestly just does not get the chance to get used, or I have duplicates. So I want to go through and purge some of the items. I want to separate things that I would like to sell and others that I want to donate and put in giveaways. I also want to get everything ready for a move to kind of prepare for organizing and to prepare for my new office, an area that I will do all my filming and editing, as well as where I will keep my storage. So right now it's kind of a bit of a cluster. I really need to get on top of filming these looks also. A lot of them are honestly like theatrical, special effects, Halloween, costume style, but I still want to prepare because I really want to participate in 31 days of Halloween this year, which means 31 different looks, so I am preparing for that, giving you guys a little sneak peek here of what's to come. I'm going to go through some of this now to grab some items to also list on Poshmark. I did a big blush purge recently, so I don't have as many as I used to have. This drawer used to not be able to close. So this is kind of not terrible. I mean, it doesn't look great. It's not like organized, but as far as cleaning out, I did do this drawer recently. So that one's actually not too terrible. Same goes for this. I recently reorganized it. Still needs some work. That's all brow and eyeliners. Lashes, I feel like I pretty much keep organized. Now we have lipsticks, which I should purge some of these because this goes all the way back. Then these are all glosses, which I have separated by brand. I definitely can purge some here as well. When we do finally move and everything is moved in, I want to do a house tour as well as storage, organization, beauty room tour, etc. So if you guys would like to see that, definitely give this video a thumbs up and comment below letting me know that. I would love to do that for you guys if it's something you're interested in. I personally love watching house tours and room tours and all of that, and also seeing different ways people organize and do storage. I'm so excited. We've been looking for flooring for I don't even know how long, a few months now, and we finally decided to go with Hickory Farmhouse. These are LVT, so they're luxury vinyl that look like hardwood floor. We decided to go with this option because it's much more affordable for us and it's extremely durable. So I can't wait till we get this installed. Somebody is in desperate need of an oatmeal bath. I think her allergies are acting up. She hates it so much. Sorry. Will and I just got to one of our favorite places to have dinner. We're hangry.
Okay. No,